Trees are very important to the ecosystem. Unfortunately, there have been a large scale of elimination of trees in order to clear out land for human activities. The following presentation will display major impacts of deforestation in the Central American forests. Even though these consequences originate from a forest environment, it can affect people worldwide. Warning: some scenes in this presentation may be extremely cringy for sensitive audiences. If you experience signs of aggression or the feeling of beating up one of the actors involved in the following presentation, you may discreetly leave the room. Please enjoy.
Hello, this is a Cecropia tree, the type of tree that grows in Colombia and Ecuador.
Hi, my name is Tree. I'm a tree.
Hello, tree. Would you like to tell us your ecological niche?
Sure, I play a big role in the food web. I'm what you call a primary producer.
A primary producer. A primary producer.
We produce our own food. We don't need to hunt. Organisms that make their own food are called autotrophs. I make my own food using a process called photosynthesis. That basically means that I make my own food in the presence of sunlight. This makes me a photoautotroph.
Since producers make their own food, they are at the bottom of the food chain. The ecosystem heavily relies on producers so that energy can be passed down through the food chain.
Wait, if all these organisms are relying on trees and other producers, won't we run out?
Fortunately, no. Because there is so much biomass in producers, they are capable of doing their job as producers without worrying about becoming extinct. In other words, there are too many producers to be overconsumed by the consumers.
Unless there's deforestation, that is the act of clearing land of trees over a large area. Example, like removing an entire forest.
Oh my, these trees are so big. My boss better be filling up my paycheck after this.
Stop! That's wrong.
A talking tree. Now that is wrong, eh?
By getting rid of all my tree friends, we're doing great harm to the ecosystem around us.
Should this concern me? Deforestation is no big deal.
It's a very big deal.
If you got rid of us primary producers, the whole ecosystem will be in vain of starvation.
To understand the impact of extinction on a food chain, we need to know that an organism feeds on another organism to feed on another.
If all the producers die off, where will the primary consumers get their food?
Maybe they can buy a stove and learn how to cook.
Wrong. They will starve and die. Now the producers and the primary consumers are dead. Wait, but secondary consumers prey on primary consumers. How will they eat?
They can buy a stove.
Wrong. They too will starve to death. Now producers, primary consumers, and secondary consumers are gone. This pattern will keep going until the highest trophic level dies of starvation. Then there will be no organisms left. Therefore, there will be no ecosystem.
The act of deforestation may cause gradual extinction of species. But just by chopping down trees, you may be destroying the habitats of sloths, bats, or birds.
Who needs ecosystems when you can make your dream town here?
True, but the natural aspects of the ecosystem have a great benefit on humans as well.
Keeping forests can benefit us?
Trees do a process called photosynthesis to make their own food. A byproduct is the production of oxygen, which is essential for all life, including humans. The more trees you cut down, the less oxygen you get.
Well, if you say it like that.
That's not even all.
The atmosphere is heavily polluted by greenhouse gases such as CO2, the stuff that we breathe out when respirating. Trees play an important role in regulating the air quality of the atmosphere. They take in CO2 as part of their photosynthesis, and they add oxygen back into the atmosphere.
There is a current crisis called climate change, which is caused by greenhouse gases. Climate change causes unusual and extreme weather patterns. To stop climate change, we need to have a cleaner atmosphere, and trees have a vital role in helping with that.
Wow, trees really do help.
It's called mutualism.
Oh no, what am I doing? The different species will die and there will be fewer biodiversity. The forest is becoming less sustainable. It's going to die. Greenhouse gases will increase. The planet is doomed. We are all going to die.
Not me. CO2 won't hurt me. I'm underwater.
Think again. Check the carbon cycle. CO2 can dissolve in the ocean through ocean uptake.
Oh.
Don't worry, have you heard of restoration ecology?
What?
We can make the ecosystem how it was before.
All you need to do is reforestation.
By doing so, you can restore the trees, and they can keep doing the important role they do in helping our planet.
Yay! More trees!
Stop deforestation. Save the planet's biosphere.